Another matter, na performance for Bryan Mbeumo or Maluda Ndamano. Ndambala says Bryan Mbeumo against Bentley. Ndamba pam 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 1 knot pam 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 2-2 2-2 3-3 bam let's go bam Bryan Mbeumo ichora ba 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 ba. They record for big grammar say onamatopia. Na so Bryan Mbeumo go begin to say Mark Breeze. Mob stop that thing. Na so Bryan Mbeumo scored the winning goal with the club Manchester United. Yes. He glad plenty because na his first goal for Mayo for Manchester, for Old Trafford, for Manchester their fee. He don't score against Grimsby, but he talk go away. He went Mayo for Manchester where they play now on inside their fee. Now the first goal, so he be very very happy for score. And then the performance, so the man he be there all place, he be there all place. He give plenty fine pass them. He try corner them plenty team them for fee. So plenty supporter they now for Manchester United. They be happy with ye for Bryan Mbeumo. It is focus now for a career of footballer. You know they for unnecessary polemics them. Let that other one we say now he be the best goalkeeper for the way. With what I go turn a take goalkeeper for Manchester United. So now so the matter day. Bryan Mbeumo it go now ahead. Imbe. Eje yechika. Ache say Imbe. Now so it waka countryman, country woman.